Rio Mare and WWF, Together for the Oceans, present The New Adventures of the Little Girl and the Ocean. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Ondina who was building a sandcastle on the seashore when the ocean swept her bucket away.
Don't be afraid, little one. Ooh. It's me, the ocean.
The ocean? But you can't talk.
Yes, I can, but only to those who know how to listen.
And so it happened that Ondina, who was a very inquisitive little girl, met the best friend that she would ever have. However, soon after, the little girl would learn that in spite of its size and strength, the ocean was in danger.
I'm sure you know lots of beautiful places.
Many.
I would love to see one.
Okay, hop aboard, and I'll show you one that's really special. We'll be home before lunch.
Where are you taking me?
To the Coral Triangle, the Amazon of the seas.
The Coral Triangle? I like that name.
Ondina and the ocean set off to discover a place inhabited by more marine species, especially tuna, than any other on the planet. The area is home to more than 500 coral species, 3,000 fish species, and 6 species of marine turtles.
It's like being in a fairy tale. But where are the people?
You're going to meet them now.
I was born here. I was 5 years old when I learned how to fish.
Most of the people here, they depend on fishing.
Ocean and fish is my life.
But the ocean is in danger. There's many threats affecting the marine resources and sustainable fishing methods.
We can catch many fish, but at the same time, other living things in the sea killed.
Ocean, this is terrible. What can we do to help you?
Luckily, I've got lots of friends.
Proteggere il mare è una nostra responsabilità. Per questo noi di Rio Mare ci siamo rivolti all'organizzazione più credibile al mondo per quanto riguarda la tutela dell'ambiente, che è il WWF.
Con Rio Mare vogliamo tutelare il triangolo dei coralli, una delle zone più pescose del pianeta.
In primo luogo significa lasciare in mare abbastanza pesce perché questo si possa rigenerare. In secondo luogo avere un metodo di pesca che abbia un ridotto impatto ambientale. Questo significa pesca sostenibile.
Perché la sostenibilità è l'unico percorso che dà un futuro alle attività di pesca dei nostri oceani.
So it's very important.
If they save the ocean, they save us.
Your friends really care about you.
Yes, they do.
Look, Ocean! There are some pandas!
Not exactly.
Even though I'm only a child, I'd like to do something to help you.
How?
By respecting and taking care of you.
You children get it right away.
When I get back to school, I'm gonna tell all my friends about it.
Good idea. It's time to go now, otherwise we'll be late.
Little Ondina had discovered that the Coral Triangle is a marvelous place, that it's necessary to protect the places where the fish are caught, that this is the only way to guarantee a future for the ocean and the species that inhabit it.
Oh! Bye-bye, Ocean. I'll see you soon. I had a wonderful time with you. Now, please give me my bucket back.
Rio Mare is working with WWF for a more sustainable fishing and to protect the oceans. The oceans can only continue to be a resource for future generations if they are respected and looked after. Join us. Together, we can make the difference.